Hey, sir.
Howdy.
I'm Officer Patrol, Longview Police Department. The reason for the stop is because you're going 50 back there on Bill Owens.
What's that?
Yeah, you got your driver's license, proof of insurance. Is this where you live?
You gonna block the road?
Yeah, it's
my
fine.
wife's gonna be home in a minute. She's,
Okay, you
know,
have your
she has to
driver's license?
Well, yeah, but you gonna block the road and keep my wife out of the driveway? Is that like a reasonable thing for you to do? Blocking the road?
Okay.
Is that a reasonable thing for you to do? To block the road?
You have your driver's
Do
license?
you see me with my driver's license?
That's a
Do you
credit
not?
card.
Oh, it's a credit card. Well, you got so you can
Hey,
see yourself
sir.
in the road, can't
Calm
you?
down, sir.
You're standing on my goddamn property. I do whatever the here, son.
370.
Right here.
371. Roll me another one. Okay, can
You
I have
ain't
it?
touching a goddamn thing of mine,
I need to
boy.
see it.
The do. Take it from me then, boy, if you that ass about it.
Sir, what is
All
your
right
problem?
then. My problem is you in the goddamn road. My wife's coming home, and what the sitting here standing in the goddamn driveway.
Sir, this could be all
All right,
be over.
oh, it could be. You right, it could be. Here's my driver's license. You
I
ain't
need
till
it.
you handing you shit, boy.
Sir, what is your problem?
Your problem is standing in the goddamn driveway. Keep asking me the same dumbass question, Keep asking you the same dumbass question. Which one do you want to answer first?
You have-
Right here.
Okay, you have your insurance?
Yeah, I sure do.
Okay,
You
can I
want to see it?
Yes, sir.
Oh, well, hell, that's one goddamn question that's relevant then, you dumb. God damn it. Right there.
Okay, can I
No,
see
you
it?
ain't handing me
I
a
need to see
goddamn
it.
thing. Tell me one more goddamn lie.
I
Lie
need-
to me again, bitch.
I need to
Lie
see
to me
it.
one more guy. You see balls, boy.
Give it to me.
You ain't handing you shit. I have to present it according to state law. Present. That's it. You want to look. You don't? You either your goddamn job. I presented it as you requested. Now you on it or you not, boy?
Can you hand it to me?
No. Did I was gonna hand it to you the first time?
Okay, sir.
No, I didn't.
All right.
Well, then what the goddamn hearing, boy? When I said no, the first rape a lot of boy, because you don't know what the means. Do you, boy?
What's the driver's license?
Shut. I don't answer questions. You want to look at it? Look at it. You don't? Fuck.
So you're not
Figure it the.
going to give me your driver's
I will
license?
do whatever the required by the law to do.
All right,
You
just
want to look
stand
at
right
it?
there.
My goddamn property. You step the fuck.
What's your problem?
You want it or not?
I do.
Then shut the fuck. Look. You your goddamn mouth. God damn. Driving, blocking a goddamn driveway. You two. Then you walk up here and you tell me you have goddamn ID in your.
All right, sir.
Again,
Stand
you
right there, all right?
Bitch, fuck.
You want to check one? This guy's being real erratic, and he showed me his ID. You want to give it to me, and he's just going to be a problem whenever I give him a ticket. Can you stand by? He might not even sign it.
Well, if he doesn't, then same as you.
What?
You look a little bit in pain. You good?
No, I'm always.
What's going on? You need
I'm
EMS?
in pain. What do you mean? What's going on?
Oh, you said that you were in pain just then.
I just said I was in pain. I'm always in pain. What do you want?
I'm curious what the pain is. Maybe I can
don't
get
care about
EMS
your
over here.
curiosities. No, I don't need an EMS, and I don't answer questions without an attorney present to law enforcement. So, you got anything that's relevant, or are you just coming over here to make small talk and casual conversation?
That?
Okay, well, don't. Get off my property.
You don't like the police too
I didn't ask
much?
you, boy. Did I ask you a question, or did I tell you something, boy? Off the property. You're not welcome here. That means past the easement. Right out there. That way.
Go on
that
over
way,
there.
boy. That
Come
way,
on
boy.
over there.
Hey, what are you touching me? Did you not hear me the first time I talked to you? You fucking
Betrayal.
deaf? Put your hands on me at all. I have not approached you. You So if you don't like it, that's your goddamn problem. I hope that damn's on, son, because it might or might not save your ass with your qualified immunity, any of that shit. Now, you got a ticket or you got a not a ticket?
Yes, sir.
Great. Let's see it.
All right, give me 1 second. You ready?
Yeah, I'm good.
He's fine. What's he gonna do? Jump up and get mad?
The only one getting mad here is you.
Buddy, you're a property. I told you get the so what the think I should be? Huh? Which one do you think I ought to be? Back me up. Back me up.
Going cuffs.
Back me up, boy. For what? For what? For what? Aggressive my property. I told you to leave. I'll be as aggressive as I goddamn well please, son. You're on my property, not yours. If this is your property, guess what? You kick me right the too. So problem. That little star in your goddamn gun don't make you a big boy, big boy.
Contact number?
No. Don't you ever call me.
Okay. Are you employed?
Yourself.
Is that company or Inc?
That's some capital F yourself.
Okay.
Capital F. In case you can't spell either. I know you got an education of shit.
All right, sir. So today you're going to receive a citation for speeding, going 50 and a 40. I was checked by my radar while we were moving. The court date is 5/7/2024 by 1 p.m. Here's all the court information to include the address, the phone number, and the website. Actually, you need to sign right here where the X is. It's not a admission of guilt. It's just a promise to appear. Go 371. Go ahead.
Now get the shit.
10-4.
The fuck.
Got a warrant.
Come here. I'm not warning you. Hey, they're old. Watch the dogs. They're all elderly. Here, grab dogs. And tell your mom. Okay? What's the warrant for, fellas?
Come this way.
What's the warrant for, fellas? The warrant, fellas.
I'll tell you in a second.
Now, you'll tell me right now.
Get up.
What's the warrant for, fellas? What's the warrant for, fellas? What's the warrant for, fellas? Hey, what's that warrant for? I wonder how many times they're going to hear me ask on the body camera when this is getting. I wonder. Anybody? Anybody?
We're on over here.
What's the warrant for, fellas?
We're coming up to you also in custody for evading.
I'm sorry, what?
For evading.
Evading what? Me. I'm not evading you,
trying
you
to
dumb
arrest
piece of shit. Arrest me for God damn it. Boy, your mama not raised you any you just as dumb as your goddamn daddy was. Oh, man.
37, show him in custody.
Holy shit, man. That went sideways.
So, your kid is here by herself?
Who said that?
I thought that's one partner just said that you told him that your wife's on the way. How far out is she? Or is she here?
I don't answer questions, Phil. Sorry. No.
Okay, we can call CPS then.
CPS for what? What's the CPS for, genius? You too stupid to understand she's not alone?
So, you live here?
Uh-huh.
All right. Who is your husband's name? What's your husband's name?
I'm divorced.
You're divorced?
Yeah.
Okay. Does your ex drive this vehicle?
Yeah.
Okay. What's his name? All right. Is he supposed to be over here? Okay. So here's the thing. He just got arrested. All right. For warrant and evading. So, is there? You're fine.
Sorry, I was just like, what?
No, you're fine. Is there anybody inside the house with your daughter or
Yeah, my grandpa.
your grandpa?
Yeah, we're talking on the phone.
Okay. Awesome. So the way he made it seem was she was all by herself. We just want to make sure.
Oh, no. No, my grandpa's right in there. He's watching us right now.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. No, he just can't hear very well, so he probably didn't. Oh, no, I have the doorbell undone because of the dogs.
You still rolling?
Yeah, I'm still rolling. I'm about to transport him.
Oh, yeah.
So, I didn't get a chance to check him. For weapons or anything. He did somehow manage to get his cuffs up in front of him. He's just that skinny. So.
You want me to follow you to the jail? Or should we pull him out and search him?
I wanted to pull him out, search him in case he does have a weapon, because I don't think you checked him.
Nah, I didn't get a
Like
chance.
So did you tell him, hey, stop or anything like that?
Yeah, it was like, hey, get back, stay where you're at. And he kept walking towards me. Kept walking towards me, getting in my face. And I was like, I backed up because I don't want someone this close to me. I was backing up. And then when I was like, okay, this is starting to get out of hand, that's when I called for you. He wouldn't give me his ID. He wouldn't give me his driver's license. He wouldn't give me his proof of insurance. He held it up, so I wrote down the number, and that's how I got it.
You didn't have another name?
No.
You got anything illegal on you? Any weapons or anything like that?
Questions.
Step out. Come on.
I'm trying, god damn it. Lucky you. Turn around. I don't consent to any search or seizures of my property or person.
Okay, we don't need consent.
You're under arrest, sir.
For what? You haven't told me that
For
yet.
your warrant?
For what warrant,
For evading.
asshole? Evading. Evading what? What arrest, you piece of... Which one?
Down
For
me?
what? Sit down. What is the arrest for, you
Sit back.
Damn, boy, yeah, it's stopping the whole goddamn force of this. The kind of the crookedest cocksuckers I've ever met in my life. God damn you mother.
Under the law in Texas, officers cannot initiate a traffic stop on private property unless they directly witness a crime or have a legal reason to enter. In this case, the man was already on his own property, in his driveway, when the officer approached and initiated a stop for alleged speeding without any dashcam evidence or proof to back the claim. From the beginning, the officer had no legal grounds to stop or detain the man on private property. Despite the man explaining that his ex-wife was on her way and they were blocking the driveway, the officers refused to move and instead began demanding identification and proof of insurance. The man complied. He showed both his ID and insurance, but chose not to hand them over. Under Texas law, during a valid traffic stop, a driver is required to show their identification and proof of insurance, but they are not obligated to physically hand them over unless specifically required by law or under court order. Simply showing the documents satisfies the legal requirement and even signed the citation when issued. There was no further legal justification for escalation, but that wasn't the end. As the man attempted to return to his home, the officer aggressively arrested him in front of his daughter, claiming evading without giving any clear legal reason. That's not just excessive, it's unlawful. You cannot arrest someone for evading after already issuing a citation, especially when they are peacefully walking into their house. Worse, officers continued the harassment by questioning his ex-wife as she arrived, still fishing for information with no cause. This wasn't law enforcement. It was intimidation, ego, and a complete disregard for constitutional protections. What happened here is a textbook example of how authority can be abused when citizens don't bow to unlawful demands.